Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel ArtisticQueen. So today I'm going to make a video of paper star, 3D popping paper stars that you can easily make at home. So if you don't have a star strip, take colorful pages out of your scrapbook and start making. Firstly, I have cut a strip of 1 cm wide and 23 to 28 cm long, as much you want. I make a circular loop with the strip. Then I tie a knot as shown in the video. So I pull the paper from the both hands. Take care that the paper should not get torn. Slowly do it from the both of the ends and make the strip flat. You will see that there is a pentagon form in front of you. Then the small end you should stick with one of the sides. It should be formed properly so that it can be in the form of pentagon. Cut the extra paper and then roll the other end with the sides of pentagon, left and right. Do it again and again till the end. Try to do it more and more neatly. You will see a stars going to make. And then when you will reach the end, cut the extra paper or fold it, then stick it inside the star. You will see a proper fluffy star make. Now we have to convert it in the form of stars. So hold it properly, stabilize it and make the corner sharp as shown in the video. Do it with the every side of the paper. So now you will see a flower being formed in front of you. Now you can pop it. Yes, pop it. This can be a fun game for everyone. Then you can form the star in the shape of it again. You will see a beautiful flower formed in front of you. So this is a pink star that you have seen. You can make more stars with different colors of paper. The next tutorial I have made with the green paper, or you can say grey paper strip. This is made with the same procedure that I have made the star before. Make a loop, tie a knot, flat the surface, pentagon will be formed, smaller side with the sides of the pentagon, longer side with the left-right side of the pentagon. Do it again and again till you reach the end of the strip. Now at the end, the extra strip left, you can either cut it or fold it and stuck it inside the star. So now fully form the star, stabilize it and sharpen the edges. In this video, every small to small step is being shown. So you can make a easily 3D paper star. You can make this 3D paper star of any color and of any size, reference with the strip you are being using. And you know what? I have collected all the extra paper that is being left. And you know why? Because I am going to make a home party bumper with it. For that, stay connected with my YouTube channel, watch and check my YouTube videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channels. A lot of more unique and interesting videos are coming soon, and I am definitely sure you guys are gonna love it. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe the channel, like and comment the videos that you love, and stay connected with me. So as you see in this video, I have make a paper stars. I have make a full jar of paper stars. It can be used for kind of like decoration and also fun. So yes, thanks for watching.